Hey, it's me! Let's talk about something you're probably doing right now. Sitting. Now, I'm not here to make you feel guilty, but have you ever wondered what's really happening to your spine when you slouch at your desk, you binge watch on the couch with shoulders hunched forward? Here's the deal. Poor posture isn't just about looking less confident. Over time, it can seriously mess with your spine. When you slouch, you put extra pressure on the discs in your back. These discs are like little shock absorbers between vertebrae. If squeezed unevenly, they can bulge or even slip out of place. That's a slipped disc, and it's painful. But that's not all. Bad sitting habits can weaken the muscles that support your spine. Core muscles, back muscles, those muscles get lazy, and before you know it, simple movements like bending or lifting can trigger back pain. Ignore it, and pain can become chronic, affecting your sleep, affecting your mood, affecting your ability to focus. So what can you do? Start by being mindful of your posture. Sit up straight, keep your feet flat on the floor. Make sure your screen is at eye level. Take breaks. Stand up, stretch. Move around every 30 minutes. Strengthen your core with simple exercises like planks bridges. Remember, your spine is literally the backbone of your health. A few small daily changes can make a huge difference, today and years from now. So straighten up, take care of your back, and your future self will thank you.